Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk how to become a software engineer without a degree. No degree, no college, and still want to become a software engineer. Good, because companies are not rejecting you because of your degree. They are rejecting you because you don't have proof. Let me show you the real roadmap. Okay, so the truth is, okay, a degree helps, but it is not required anymore. Degrees, I mean, going to help you, but it is not a required anymore. Company care about one thing: can you build something useful? If yes, you get interview. If no, you get rejected or ignore. Okay, so I mean, one thing, learn skill properly. Okay, learn one skill properly. Don't try to learn everything. Pick the one path. For example, AI engineer. For example, Android development. For example, .NET developer, Node.js developer. Okay, back end, front end, data analytics, data engineer. Pick one. Okay, for example, start with JavaScript plus HTML plus C++. Okay, so build after this, build after learning skill, after finishing like skills. Okay, so build a real project. Okay, so this is where most people fail. They watch tutorials but they never build anything. Okay, so do this instant. So you need to create project one. For example, project one, like basic app, and project 2 should be on real world features. Okay, and project 3 is advanced project. Okay, for example, login system, you can build login system, payment integration, real time chat. Okay, and by using generative AI, agentic AI, if you are going to learn, then you also build a gen AI or agentic AI related project also, like chatbot, recommendation tool, phishing tools, virtual try on. Okay, so your project equals to your degree. Step 3, show your work online. If no one can see your work, it doesn't exist. If no one can see your work, it doesn't exist. Upload everything to the GitHub. Add clean code. You should add readme file and also add the screenshots. Okay, if you are front end developer or back end, then you can also upload the screenshot there. Okay, post your journey on LinkedIn. Okay, so I mean, if you are going to post there your project on GitHub or journey on your LinkedIn, people will notice you. Okay, and they should call you to hire. Okay, if they like your work. And another thing, get experience without a job. No job, no problem. Okay, so how do you get experience? Do this. You need to do freelancing. Okay, guys, there is a lots of website for freelancing. You can get the project with the help of LinkedIn also. You need to send the message in a startup based company or in a startup based, I mean, founder of a startup. You can send the message there. You can send the message to the recruiter also, that I'm looking for freelancing and my skill is like blah blah blah. So can we move further? Like this, you can send the message to the recruiter, company owners, startups. Okay, and you need to do internship. Okay, yeah, 1 minute. Freelancing, there is I mean, many websites like TopTal, Remote Work, Guru, Upwork, freelancing, Fiverr. Okay, I also did freelancing, guys, by using Fiverr, Upwork, or Guru. Okay, and also use open source. Okay, and build for small business. Even unpaid work gives you experience. Experience equals to trust, and that is equals to job. Okay, and next step, apply smart. Don't apply to 500 job randomly. Instead, customize your resume. Show project clearly and message recruiter directly. Most people don't do this. Less competition for you. Okay, so you don't need a degree, but you do need skills, project, and consistency. This path is a harder but 100% possible. Okay, you can't say that it is impossible. It is possible, 100% possible. Okay, this is, I mean, this path is harder, but it should be possible. Okay, if you follow this roadmap for 6 months seriously, you can become a good engineer. You can become a job ready, no degree needed. Okay, and then you will be software engineer. So subscribe for more, guys. Bye bye, take care, see you in next video.